What's up, my virtual home? How's it going? How's it going? Guys, I am really feeling the love on some of these new videos. Guys, I am seeing that you guys are interested in some particular um, type of videos. So I am taking the hint. And today we are coming back to you guys with another product review. I am so happy to bring you guys these next products. Man, we are going to be hitting it back to back to back to back. All right, so with that being said, we are doing an unboxing. Woo! We're doing an unboxing, if you can tell, from the great Amazon. Guys, when we leave our Amazon link below, you can actually shop our link. And when you shop our particular link, whether it's for the product that we're recommending or whatever you want to buy on Amazon, we get a few coins back. So we really do appreciate the support. It allows us to bring you guys more quality content. With that being said, guys, we have an unboxing I am so excited about. Man, so we actually have some more lingerie. It is the season. It's February. February is the time for lingerie. Like, it's like the preseason, okay? It's like preseason, and we are turning up here on my virtual home. With that being said, I got my handy dandy blade, and I'm going to go ahead and open up this package. We might need the blade again. This just, look, this is just the first layer, knowing Amazon, right? So yeah. We have a sneak peek. Woohoo! Guys, I love doing unboxings. Y'all, let us know if you like unboxings on this channel, because I have so much fun. Now, I'm going to put the link to these products below. So first we are going to look at, I would call it a lingerie piece, but it also strikes me like a costume. So I like how it can kind of like double. But yeah, without further ado, guys, this is a little ensemble. Is that how you say it? And look, it is actually a schoolgirl edition, guys. Who doesn't love schoolgirl stuff? You know what I'm saying? You can be that little schoolgirl, you know, the college kid, the naughty college girl, you know, all that. Like, we into that. Like, we turn up. Okay? So, guys, I am so excited about this one. And it looks like we might have like a three-piece situation going. So I'm going to show you. Don't worry. All right. So we're going to start with what looks like to be the top. Is this cute or not? Guys, look. Look at this. Okay. So you got your collar and your tie. Guys, we have a lingerie piece that has a tie. So under the tie is a little peekaboo area. You kind of see that. So you got your little peekaboo. Um, Looks like a raindrop. So you got your raindrop peekaboo area right under the tie for the little flare. You know what I'm saying? So guys, I just love this collar right here. This particular top is very sheer. Okay, so it depends on you, mom. So if you want to put a bustier under here, then you can, or you can just leave it in its natural state. But it is a very sheer and sexy. All right, so this top goes around the back at about a 2-inch a 2-inch band all the way around the back. There is no like snap back, so this is just like fit to size. Okay, So this is your top. You got your collar, you have your tie, you have your raindrop peekaboo area under the tie, you have your sheer situation, and then this is going to run around the back, okay? So, all right, and this is our featured brand right there. I think that's a very sexy logo. On the back, it has some few words. I guess we'll read them. It says, "Here is the right for you as the Mr. Right beside you." The brand name makes your life better, higher, and comfortable. Ooh, let's get to the high life, okay? And this does give me like high life vibes, like y'all remember that show? What's that show? It's not like Clubhouse, but it had like the college girls, and they was like real chic. Y'all let me know. There was like an African one and a Caucasian one, and they was like best friends. It's almost on my brain, but you know what? That's not what the video about. But if y'all know the name of that show, ooh, it's almost there. Put it in the comments, okay? But it's really giving me those like college girl, real sexy, behind the scenes, dorm room shenanigans action, okay? And that's just with the top, guys. All right, so let's move on. Outside of the top, yes, we have a sheer black thong. Don't, 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 don't. It does have the sliding thong situation, so it is very adjustable, adjusted to your comforts. Take a look at that. How cute. How cute. How sexy. Okay. Y'all let us know in the comments if y'all are getting sexy vibes so far. Let us know if y'all are getting sexy vibes. All right. Next, we have the last piece of this particular outfit, and it is the skirt. The skirts, okay? It looks so good. Of course, it ties into the very sexy tie, okay? So, yeah, I love the material. It seems to be very, very durable. Even something that may be able to take an iron, which is okay. I love that. And guys, the skirt actually has a lace trim for an elastic waistband. Look, elastic, seriously. So elastic waistband and a lace trim for the very, very sexy effect. Guys, this is your skirt. Matter of fact, this skirt is cute. Okay? Cute, cute. I'm talking about like put it with some more things and actually go out and about and be cute, cute. Guys, let us know if y'all like this skirt. I think it is super cute, okay? But here you go. This is our, I'm going to call it lingerie, cosplay, very sexy costume. Guys, I'm very happy about this one. Very, very happy. Like, very happy about this one. Look, very happy. So, guys, here you go. For the recap, you have the collar. You know what I'm saying? Like, we educated. You know what I'm saying? We got collars and ties and stuff. Check that out. Ooh-wee. Look, you got the collar, the tie, and the sheer situation. Like, y'all getting the point. Real nice. And then, you got the very, 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 very sexy thong. And then this very flirty, sexy, like real schoolgirl type skirt with a lace trim. We're going to take a look at the trim. I know all trim, look, not all trim are created equal, so I want you guys to see the trim pattern. There it goes right there. And it just kind of repeats throughout the, if I'm not mistaken, those are hearts. Like right there. Yeah, so it looks like vines of hearts. If I'm not mistaken, that's exactly what it looks like. Vines of hearts, which also is very, very sexy. So just so you guys can kind of see how that trim life is, we'll put it right there. All right, guys, so that is that. Now, this other product is a different product, so I will be putting two product links as well as maybe like the general lingerie page on Amazon. So if you wanted to make another choice, you can do so. All right, so this is comfortable tights for women. Um, Fashionable, elegant, skin friendly, and breathable. This is a 6-piece set, okay? It's gonna be one size fits all. 6-piece sets of different type of little tights that you can kind of put with your lingerie suits, or if you're even going out on the town in your jeans and your skirts, and you want something on the leg. I think having a 6-piece, uh, uh, kind of like these are kind of like fishnet type tights, and they come in different type of nets. So you got like the wide nets, the skinny nets, all of that. So like this is like net heaven. You get 6 different type of different size nets on your tights. You will definitely see what I'm talking about. First of all, what I'm noticing is a high quality material. Really love it. This one is probably one of the wider nets. So that's how it's looking. We can use like an arm display for vibe. You know, let's get the vibe going. Yeah, so it is, you know, so these are your 2 different legs. And let's just go down here on the left leg and see if we can kind of vibe a bit so you guys can kind of see what it will look like on the skin. Again, this is a totally different product. So if you guys are in the market for fishnets, you like the different types of fishnets, the different sizes of the nets, and you think that it would be of value for you guys to like get this 6-piece net, which I think it would be, because who doesn't need more fishnets? Let me know if you got enough fishnets in the comments, because you are like a unicorn. All right, so check this out. Ooh, check that out. Ooh, yeah, check that out. Ooh, extra sexy. I'm telling you, extra, extra sexy, guys. Like, you're gonna love that, okay? You gonna love it. She gonna love it. He gonna love it. Everybody gonna love these, girl. Uh, so, guys, this is like, you know, one of the net styles. And then again, like I said, you get 6, and I think this is a good demonstration because this may be the smallest net size. So here goes another net pattern. And this is more like your traditional stocking or something like that. And let's run down this leg so you can see. And it's still giving very sexy vibes, like real sexy, like super sexy, like don't play with me over here. Look at this, guys. Excuse me for like turning up, but I just love lingerie. I do. I'm finding a new love for lingerie, so I really hope that you guys really appreciate this journey with me. But yeah, we lingerie up around here, okay? And I don't think we stop it anytime soon. So get with us. Get with it. So yeah, this will be like the end of it. So that's like the foot situation. Of course, it does have the little lining to line the feet. But check this out. If this ain't sexy, and then let's say you got some bigger thighs, of course, you know, it's going to pull, and you're going to be able to see a little bit more skin. So I hope you guys can see how that is rolling. Let's pull it a little bit more. But yeah, so so you got your thighs. Okay, and these are going to come up to the waist. Okay, so these are not knee highs. These are for your entirety of those blessings that you got, okay, above your feet, called your legs. And the waist is actually pretty good. I'm noticing the waist is the same on all the fishnets, which is this pretty elastic lace. Elastic waist. which is really, really good, guys. So, yeah, guys, get your fishnets. Don't you miss out on getting your fishnets, and um, make sure you wear them. Okay, look, wear them. Y'all can send us links to your cute little sexy pictures. You may even want to put one of these fishnets with the schoolgirl ensemble. I would think it would be like the tighter net would look really good with that, because you got the looser kind of like embroidered net design right there. So I think like maybe these right here, like these and this. But anyway, guys, it's finna turn up around here. So I'm definitely gonna see you guys in a little bit. Now, hey, if you like this video, like the video. Just like the video. It definitely gives us an indication that you may want to see more content like this. Guys, if you want to be a part of the family, join the network. Join the network. Or whatever. We'd love to have you guys. So like, you just subscribe, okay? And if when you subscribe, you can let us know in the comments so we can love all over you. And guys, if you want to be the very first to get content as soon as we drop new content, then make sure you hit that bell notification above. When you hit the bell, it's gonna as soon as we drop a new video, you are going to get a notification. So if you want to be on that team, make sure you hit that bell, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next video.